Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Traveling with Vaughn. Today, we're going to talk about 5 travel mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's get into this video because I'm ready, because I know you're ready. We all ready. But here we go. Number 1, stop overpacking. I don't understand why y'all overpack. You bring all these clothes and you don't wear half of them. Now I know my content creator is gonna say, I have to overpack, I need to pack, I have to pack this, and I have to pack that. No, you don't. You don't need all that stuff. You can take a short pants, a long pants, depending on the environment you're going into. You can pick your short pants, a long pants, and like 4 or 5 shirts for a guy. Girls, y'all can pop on a dress and call it a day. Boom. I knew y'all gonna give me in the comments, but I'm fine with it. But stop overpacking, because a lot of time when you go on trips, you're gonna see things that you like, and then on top of that, you're not gonna have space to put it because you already overpacked. So stop overpacking your bags, okay? Just make sure you take the basic key essential things that you need, and obviously for your photo shoot, if you're a content creator or a fashionista or into fashion, you know, just make sure you pack lightly or pack things that you can like make combination of things, okay? All right, number 2. Not paying attention to airline fees, right? So sometimes, a lot of times, let's say for example, we go on Expedia.com or travelwithvaughn.com because that's where you're gonna book your flights going forward. Let's say for example, you're on a website where there's a search engine and you're looking to book a flight and you see a flight that says, oh, the flight's only $89 round trip, Spirit. And then you click on it and you realize that there is a $65 carry-on bag fee or a check bag fee at the gate, right? But you didn't know this because you didn't research it. So to avoid those things, you need to definitely make sure that you're reading the fine print in regards to like baggages or fees to avoid them. Because a lot of times people are looking at like it was only $89 and boom, I got a cheap flight, not realizing they got bag issue. You know, they have bags that they have to pay. Now let me tell you the trick around this, get you a pillowcase. Put all your stuff in a pillowcase, zip it up, and take with you on the plane. There's nothing they can dispute about your pillowcase. Some people are like, oh, that's tacky, that's savagery, it looks a mess. But let me tell you something, it makes a major difference when you can put all your clothes in a pillowcase and not have to pay $65 for a bag. That's me if you want to be a budget-friendly person. I'm a budget-friendly type person, so guess what? I like to save every dollar I can. So that's me. Free tip, okay? Book me as your travel agent. All right, number 3, booking flights that arrive in the dead of night, especially international. Make sure you are understanding the flight time because a lot of times these flights international will do the whole military time. So make sure you're calculating that correctly, okay? Make sure you're calculating that correctly because sometimes you can be booking a flight 1 a.m. in the morning or 2 a.m. in the morning and there is no Ubers available. You have to take that expensive taxi at the airport to get wherever you have to go. So make sure you're checking your flight times when you're booking your flights, okay? All right, the next one, selecting your seats ahead of time. Make sure you select your seats ahead of time and don't wait till check-in because sometimes at check-in or a lot of times at check-in, you'll get the worst seats available, I'm sorry. So make sure you're checking in. So that's what I do now. I make sure as soon as I get the opportunity, I'll check in. But especially international flight, I'm gonna go ahead and pay for it because I wanna be comfortable in my seat. So that's just me personally. I don't wait till the last minute to do that. I like to be comfortable in my seat, okay? So make sure you do that. All right, and the final one I have is not checking in online. Guys, I don't know why people think it's not cool not to check in online. You need to check in online to make sure like you have all your documentation scanned and uploaded online to make sure you have select your seat. And finally, number 5, not checking in online. I don't understand why people won't check in online. There are a lot of people who don't check in online before their flights. You should always check in online before your flight. This is my advice. Check in online before your flight. I can't stress that enough because that should give you the insurance that everything that you need done for your flight is taken care of. What you don't want to do is get to the airport and realize that you were missing a documentation or you didn't upload your passport or you didn't upload your COVID vaccination card. You know, because some airlines require that ahead of time. So making sure you have those things in place before you get to the airport is by checking in online. Again, these are my tips on how to avoid and the mistakes that you might have made and how to correct them ahead of time. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. And follow me on Facebook, TikTok, you guys. I love you guys so much. And I thank you all for supporting me and being there I truly appreciate it. So again, guys, you take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.